Yung bangus po, ang supplier natin from Dagupan. So, meron po tayong bangus paksiw, asim-asim, bangus biscuit Tagalog with tofu. Ito po yung paborito ko sa line kasi high protein siya. Each pack has 50 grams of protein. Sa puso ito sa mga dapat bantayan natin, di ba? Yung protein intake natin, para may energy tayo, para we're strong enough to perform. Then, for yung mga starch-focused SKUs po natin, meron po tayong champurado, yan na po yung closest thing to a dessert. And pag mabilisan, sa gusto natin kanin, meron po tayong chicken arroscado with some grilled chicken dip. As I mentioned po, we're open to custom orders. Ito pong technology natin na retort pack, pwede rin po siya sa kanin. So, sinasahin po natin yung kanin, lalagay po natin sa pack, pag you find your team, or kayo po, in your personal need, ayaw nyo na po magkain sa field, meron din po tayong retort pack, no? Kanin, lutong kanin, white rice, because that's basic for every Filipino. Next, please. Yung use cases, very versatile ito. Kasi technically, it's a lighter, mas masarap, mas fresh na canned goods, di ba? Na better presentation. So, it's useful for prepping kits, calamity relief, pag magpa-blackout, pwede natin i-stash for emergency needs. Kayo po tayo for leisure, outdoor camping. This is also very useful. And yung emergency go pass. Next po. How to prepare, napakadali. As I said, pwede niyong buksan lang. You can eat as ambient. It will still be of good quality and fresh. Then, pag meron po tayong luxury of having a microwave, pwede niyong buksan, pwede initin ang content. Ang most usual application po, kasi madali yung naman magpainit ng tubig, ilululog natin yung pack, and then bubuksan natin, init na po yan, we pour out, and then you consume. Next po. Ito po, para lang meron tayong credibility, masarap po yan. Kasi yun naman yung important sa food eh. Masarap po yan, makakapagpaligaya ba yan. Kami po yung company, our family business is the company behind the restaurant brand, Bulalo World. Na meron pong 28 branches across Metro Manila and some malls and in your community. Pag may nakakain na po doon, maraming salamat. Kami rin po yung brand behind CPC. So, we're experienced over the last 13 years, based po kami sa Pateros, for Filipino food, no? So, sanay po kami dyan. And we want to use our facility to help this sector. So, ito nga po, meron naman po akong maling simple test. Para po na-invite kayo na matry yung food namin, though hindi yung MRE. Ito pong Bulalo World Food. Meron po akong GP dito sa mga interesadong manalo. Simple questions lang, no? First question. Each na makakakuha ng tamang sagot, makakakuha ng 600 pesos worth of GP. So, ang daming bulalo na yun for your family. First question po, ang MRE resort pack natin na Pinoy Meat, gaano po katagal ang shelf life? Meron po bang sasagot? Gaano katagal ang shelf life niya? Yes, sir. Okay, 12 to 18 months, correct? Thank you very much. Okay, next question. Meron po tayong 5 flavors. Please name 2 dun sa 5 flavors natin for 600 pesos. Yes, ma'am. Champurado. Arroscado. Yes, good. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations. Available po yan to be released in all stores, no? Last question. Pag nagamit na po yung, pag meron na po kayo ng MRE, yung meals natin to resort pouch, how do you enjoy it? May apat na paraan, the same one. Please. Yes, sir. Heat, oil and water. Yes. Right. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Enjoy po. Next slide.